It's funny. Happy Saturday! I am back! Oh my goodness, who is excited about Bath & Body Works Body Care Day? I'm actually going to be heading out to my store in about an hour because I am going shopping. So today, I just wanted to come on early and share what's online. So all body care today, online, in-store, $5.95. Online, you have to use the code UNWRAP. I'm going to try and use a coupon in the store. I'll let you know what happens. And then shipping is also free on 50 plus, which is always good because you don't want to spend money on shipping because that kind of eats into the savings. So I just sorted from high to low online, and body butter is definitely going to be the biggest savings. So I noticed they have Gingham Gorgeous. They have the water hydration. So all the water collection, Coco Shea. Moxie is included. So if you want to try Moxie, I haven't even tried the Moxie line yet, but they have the oily skin face moisturizer, but that's an online exclusive, just to let you know. The Luminous body butter, champagne toast, the Coco Shea, and then they have more Moxie, and then the new champagne toast. There's all different versions of champagne toast. The Coco Shea Moisture Body Oil is $20.95. That's a good deal. The Colloidal Oatmeal, that's a good one. More Moxie, which is online. The Moxie Colloidal Oatmeal Bubble Bath. I might get that. I'm thinking about it. The scrubs are also on sale. I don't know if the scrubs for the Christmas are in my store yet. I gotta go check it out. Luminous in the exfoliating glow body scrub. We have Chasing Fireflies in the body butter. The shower steamers. I know a lot of people like the shower steamers. The Northern Brights, which is eucalyptus and pine. I gotta check that out today. By the way, my order was delayed. My Christmas order, which is mostly just app reward stuff. I don't even know when it's coming. I'm like, where is my order? I don't know where it is. Pure Wonder Exfoliating Body Scrub. The Mimosa Spearmint Salt Body Scrub. So if you want scrubs, today is the day to get them. This is do not stop, run, don't walk, Kmart Blue Light Special. This is it. You're going to want to stock up today. Butterfly, Eucalyptus Lavender, Mimosa Spearmint Shower Steamers. I am not seeing any of the holiday scrubs online. I am seeing the whipped body butter in the Winter Candy Apple. I do have it in the Vanilla Bean Noel. By the way, it smells amazing. I could smell this all day. I don't know. I'm just in the mood for Vanilla Bean Noel today. Dream Bright. Yes, they have Vanilla Bean Noel online. Let me see here. Warm Vanilla Sugar in the whipped body butter. There's a lot of body butter. So if you're looking to get body butter for Christmas for everyone, do it today. The Moxie dietary supplements, the vitamins are on sale today. And then we move into the pricier faceted. So like I said, I'm going from high to low, but any of your Dark Kiss, your Dahlia, You're the One, or Champagne Toast in this faceted, not faceted, it's kind of like tufted, get these today. Luminous Diamond Shimmer Mist. Get your Shimmer Mist today. $5.95. Let me see. Oh, the Lavender Vanilla Luxe Bubble Bath. More gummies. Get your gummies in your bubble bath. Any of the faceted, you're going to want to absolutely shop for today. The shapeable soap. Where did I put my shapeable soap, you guys? I'm so disorganized right now. I got my body cream. I'm so excited. I want to go to the store. I'm dying to get into the store. The Luminous Hydration Body Cream. They still have fall up too, sweater weather. So if you want to get some fall favorites in there, the Gingham Gorgeous Diamond Shimmer Mist. All of this is going to make a great Christmas gift. So like I said, what you're going to want to do is go Christmas shopping today, and then of course get some stuff for yourself. So we are off and running. They also have the wavy hair mask. I might get that. I just want to try it. The wavy hair mask. Oh, it's an online exclusive. I don't know if I'm doing an order online today. I'm just running into the store to get all my stuff. So anyway, $5.95 all day body care. Woohoo! It is here. I'm actually really excited. I cannot wait to get into the store. I will be back later with a giant haul. I gotta see what I can find. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're shopping today. I will see you later. Bye-bye.